Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get TikTok dark mode on an Android phone. So in here, I'm using an Android phone, and if you want to get a dark mode for your TikTok, here's how you can do it. First, you can open your TikTok apps and then head to your profile. Click on profile at the bottom and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find this display options. So here my appearance display is currently on light mode, and to change it you can just simply click on dark in here, or you can also use this device setting. So if your device setting is on dark mode, you can just enable this feature so it will follows your device settings. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.